How's it going? I'm Matthew Kane, co-founder of Complete Body Daily, a premium CBD company. Here today to talk to you about how quality CBD oils are made. So the reason that I wanted to make this video is because CBD is an unregulated industry. So that means there are no rules as to how to make a quality product. And that means that there are not quality products out there. So I wanted you to really see and understand how what you're putting in your body is made. Because as you know, quality inputs equal quality outputs, but you also have to have a quality process for that to happen. And the important thing about quality is having a bit of transparency, is because if you can say anything and you're not held to it, then what is really in that bottle? So for us, it comes down to having really a high-end manufacturing process. Everything that we do is CGMP, certified good manufacturing processes. It's in a state-of-the-art facility, really the best in the country. It's all done in the United States, so we don't have to worry about anything like the factories in China and the heavy metals and the things that are coming out of Europe. So really that's why we want to talk about it. And for us, it's also because when you look at CBD products and white label branding out there, there are literally people that are making it in their kitchens, or I like to say in their bathtubs at home. There are home industrial kitchens that people are using to make these products, which are, really sort of an unknown as to what is the actual content. So what you want to look for is a professional CGMP process. So here's the process. What you want to start out with is high quality hemp genetics from industrial hemp. Complete Body Daily has 15 to 18% CBD active in the plant material itself. That is finely ground into a material to allow the most surface area, so you don't have to operate at high temperatures, which would degrade some of the cannabinoids. So our process starts with either supercritical CO2 or food grade ethanol. What we do is we extract all of the cannabinoids, terpenes, plant waxes, chloroform into a product that then further undergoes a winterization process and then filters out all of the unwanted wax and plant materials in a closed loop process, so no terpenes and no cannabinoids are lost in that process. We take it one extra step to take all of the THC out of the products through a winterization process. And that extra step is what ensures that you are not going to fail a drug test because of THC content. And for us, that closed loop process maintains all of the terpenes and all of the other cannabinoids other than THC. They're going to help you with that broad spectrum entourage effect. So it's a closed loop process with food grade ethanol, and it creates a really high 80 to 85% CBD content in that raw oil material. And from there, it just becomes a mathematical equation to say, is this bottle a 750 milligram bottle or a 1500 milligram bottle? And then we take it from there to make all of our topicals as well. So because the industry is unregulated, you don't really know what is in every bottle that you see in a vape shop or on Amazon. I mean, over 60% of the products out of a test had less than was advertised or had no CBD in it. So that is a major concern, but also is a concern of how is it made, and then is it going to make you fail a drug test? So a lot of the brands that are out there don't go that next step in the winterization process to isolate out the THC, because it costs a lot less to make a product that has 0.3% THC than a zero THC product. And so that's why you're able to buy a cheap brand, is because it's gonna, it has 0.3% THC. You could fail a drug test, or it's low quality products that are being made on the front end. So you're seeing all these CBD companies sort of pop up overnight and seemingly becoming experts in cannabinoids, and for the most part they're using a really old process called RSO, Rick Simpson's oil, to where they are just soaking olive oil in either hemp or cannabis, and you don't know what content's in there at that point. You can't actually say this is the amount of CBD, this is the amount of THC. It's an unknown. So if you're buying from someone that's doing it that way, you're really just kind of rolling the dice on what you're getting. So a main differentiator of our products and some of the other CBD brands that are out there is our water soluble, our gel caps, our face mist spray undergo an emulsification process to create nano-sized particles, so 25 nanometers versus 1,000, which is the industry average. So you're going to get a much higher absorption rate because it's able to permeate your cells much more easily. So with us, you have high quality inputs, a high quality process, and then you have a unique nano-sized particles that help with the absorption. So really quality across the board, made in a high CGMP facility to make sure that everything is exactly as advertised, because that's not the case in the industry with everyone.